You'll be surprised when you enter, as this house is much bigger than it looks from the outside. There is a very large eat-in kitchen with lots of cupboards for storage, built-in oven and stove. Off of the street floor, laundry off the kitchen. From the kitchen you can go into the dining room or the large living room, which is across the front of the house. Need a downstairs bedroom? Then the current dining room will work fine for you. Going upstairs you will find 2 good-sized bedrooms and a nice updated bathroom. There is a large covered front porch to relax and watch the world go by. Central to schools, churches, stores, restaurants, all within walking distance.